Since a couple of months, to be precise, let's say April, the Australian biosecurity laws have become so strict that if you forget to declare or if you don't declare the prohibited items, then your visa might be cancelled. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know what are the prohibited items that you are not supposed to get to Australia. Let it be if you're a student, a backpacker, a visitor to the country, but please make sure that you don't bring all these items. So without any further ado, let's get started. April 17th, new rules came into effect. So if your friends or if your family or someone you know are coming here to Australia on any visa, no matter what, then here is the list of the items that you should completely and clearly avoid. The first one is medicines. Medicines are clearly allowed, but only if you have a prescription. The doctor should certify that you are the person who is using the medicines, and also remember that the medicines should be left in their original packaging only. However, the quantity of medicines that you are getting to Australia should not exceed the length of 3 months duration. So be very careful when you are getting medicines, and you should declare them that you are getting the medicines. Second important thing is seasonal or festive items. Now when people come to Australia from India, they get a lot of festive items such as sweets like rasmalai, rasgulla, gulab jamun, barfi, and during Rakhi, Diwali, you get Rakhis and all of that. So these are clearly prohibited. So what you should do is basically any dairy product, fresh fruits, fresh nuts, fresh plants, anything which is really fresh, Australian biosecurity laws completely prohibit it, because they are quite scared that what if there's some disease that's going to spread in the country. So please try to avoid all these fresh fruits, fresh nuts, sweets such as sweets that contain dairy products. And also declare these items that you are getting, so that you know when they check, they get rid of these items. Now there comes a situation, what if you are carrying these? Whenever you come to Australia in the flight, before you actually land here in Australia, they give you an incoming passenger card. So basically that's a declaration card of what you're getting from the other country. So it has all the subcategories mentioned, something like, you know, medicines, fresh food, dairy products, weapons, you know, all these kind of subcategories mentioned in that card. If you're pretty sure, then tick yes. If you're not sure, then tick not sure. If you haven't clearly got them, then just put no. But be very truthful about what you're getting, because you know when they when you get down and when you're getting out of the airport, you will have a dog checking. You will have a machine, basically an X-ray machine, checking your bag once again. So it's really difficult for you to escape all that. Now in terms of pickles, because I know a lot of people get pickles from the other countries, you can get pickles which are based on vegetables, but you cannot get a non-vegetarian pickle, which is meat pickles are completely prohibited. But even whatever you are getting, just declare in that incoming passenger card. So based on your declaration that they see, that's when the checking will be done. If they feel like they have to discard it, they would discard it. If they feel like that's fine, then they let you carry it. What happens if you don't declare it? The first thing that happens is when you're coming out of the airport, as I told you, X-ray machine will be checking your luggage, a dog will be checking your luggage, and by chance, if you get caught, you will have fines up to $500 to $800, and you will be prosecuted and you will be fined up to $42,000, and apart from that, your visa might be cancelled. So to all the first timers who are coming to Australia, declare whatever you get. That's the best thing that you can ever do. Even if something is prohibited but you've declared, they'll check and they'll discard it, and that's it. They're not going to put you in prison. Nothing that's going to happen if you declare. But if you don't declare, then yeah, you can be in prison for 10 years as well. Your visa will be cancelled. You'll be fined up to $42,000. So you decide. This video is quite helpful to all those people who are coming to Australia. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do share this video as much as you can, and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Bye.